Good morning, everybody. We are back on the bus. We are here with the last big fab project until we make our move to Tennessee, and it's these wheel wells. Need to be chopped off, and I need to create a little ramp, a nicer ramp down to the deck, and then I'm going to build it all the way out to the wall here. So the first thing I got to do is I got to get in here and get these trim pieces off, get this rubber mat cut out of the way where we're going to be welding and whatnot, and then we can come up with a plan on how we're going to actually do this. So yeah, let's get all this stuff ripped off. Alright, so this morning I got this little section here installed with the piece of 2x3 tubing or 2x3 angle that I already had up on the shelf. And then I went to the metal supply and I just got back. We got a bunch more 2x3 and I got some diamond plate, the same stuff we used on the ramp, on the dovetail. So that's what's coming up. I'm just going to keep on trucking away. I got to build another one of these for this other side. It's a little less complicated because it doesn't have to be radiused for this wheel well, so I don't have to do that pie cut or half moon cut out of there. So I just need to make a piece, have it bend in the right spot, make a piece that stands up back there, get it all fit in, and I have to cut this back a little bit further as well. So I'm going to keep on going, and hopefully we'll have at least one of these wheel wells done today. we are. We got one wheel well, ramp, whatever you want to call this thing done. And I gotta do the same exact thing to that side. And I'll check in with you guys when the other one's done. Alright, so this is officially done for now. You know, the pole project is still a ways from being done, but the ramp is done, the wheel wells are done, and we are gonna drive a car up on this thing for the first time. So I'll show you guys how the ramp works. You got these two bars here to keep it in place when you're going down the road. And then it's got springs on it to assist it coming down. So let me show you guys what it looks like to walk up on this thing. So here's our ramp. And here's our wheel wells finished out. And then our door obviously still opens up. We got two D-rings, one on each side here, two more here at the poles, and then two more at the very end of the dovetail. So since my MR2 isn't running, back over there, we're gonna use my little Vibe as our test vehicle. That's it. It went up, no problem. Got lots of them, man. So there you have it. It's a functioning car hauler. My MR2 is a little bit shorter than this, which this is not a problem. We could put something longer on for sure, but yeah. I'm super happy to be done with this part of the project for sure. It's been a ton of work. I'm super happy to be done with this project, at least to this point. It's been a ton of work to get it to the point where we can put a vehicle on here, and this is all kind of leading up to our move to Tennessee. So we're moving here in a couple weeks. The movers come in like a week. So I'm done building things and I gotta start packing stuff up. So let's get this guy off here. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like button for me, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to get notified of new videos coming out. Recently I've been doing one every week, releasing it every Wednesday. So like I said, thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.